So today we are going to talk about this keyword. Okay, just write this keyword. What is the purpose of this keyword? First, we need to understand that. So this keyword refers to current object. So when I say current object, which means within the brackets, you can write instance of the class. So now what we will do, we will take an example and try to understand this from that particular example. Let's create a new class. You generally know how to declare one variable, int x. You just write a command class variable. Now I want you to create one constructor. You just write public main within the brackets int x. This dot x is equal to x. What does it mean? It will refer to the class variable x. So whatever you have written, right? You have written one constructor, line number 4. After line number 4, press enter and write a comment saying that your constructor is with one parameter. Now what I am trying to do is I wanted to create the instance of this particular object. Okay, can you add the main method here inside this? So in this, what you are going to do is you are going to create one object. Just give the value, no? You have a parameter also in the constructor. Now system.out.println value of x is, now run this. If you run, you'll be able to see the value of x is 26. Got it?
Yes, sir. A small doubt, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Here we declared class variable int x, right, sir?
Hmm.
So we can
Correct.
directly give the value inside the main method also, right, sir?
Where?
Here only inside the main method without this constructor, this dot x. Without this also we can directly give the value, right, sir?
Yeah, you can do that also. If at all you are going to make use of constructor, then if you are using that, you have to make use of this keyword. But in your line number 7, instead of this dot x, right? If you write x is equal to x, that is not correct. That is what I am trying to convey here. You cannot use, you're assigning that value, default value as x, right? Whatever the value you are trying to pass it from the class variable.
Yes, sir.
If you see line number 7, this dot x is equal to x you have written,
Yes, sir.
right? But you will not be allowed to write the value as x is equal to x. Whatever you are passing, right? You are passing int x. X is equal to x, you cannot assign. Can just write 7th line. After 7th line, x is equal to, you are passing x, right? In your parameter, x is equal to, you are going to call that x. That is not correct. So to avoid that, you have to make use of this. Did I answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, you wanted to do it in a different way. Okay. You are trying to call a constructor from another constructor. That is what you are trying to do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I wanted to do is I want you to create two constructors. When I say constructors, constructor name must be the same name as your class, correct?
Yes, sir.
For the same example, we are going to take two more constructors. Okay. So now you have one constructor with one parameter. And now I am asking you to write one more constructor with two parameters. Shall we use x comma 1, whatever the value you are writing, right? One int and one string you can write here. Okay. How do you assign these values? This dot x is equal to x, semicolon, and this dot f name is equal to f name, correct?
Yes, sir.
At the class level also you have to declare f name, correct? Can you go to the top? After int x, you have to declare string f name. Now the error will go. So now what I am asking you to do is, I am trying to call the first Okay, the first constructor which is with one parameter, where you have public int x is there, right? Can you go there? Public int x, wherever you have written, I am just slightly changing that. Instead of int x, you just write string f name, string f name, string f name. Okay, you are going to call with this keyword. Okay, so just remove everything in the 8th line, just remove everything. This this, this within the brackets, within the brackets, 2026, 2026, that is my first integer, correct? That is what your value says, correct?
Yes, sir.
Comma, comma, 2026, comma, and you write your name, your name. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So what is that you're trying to do? You're trying to call the two parameter constructor from the first parameter. I wanted to print this method. Okay, just write a method, print method. You have to write after that. Yeah, print public void, public void display car, display display name. You can write display name. System.out.println. The display name is, the display name is, you write your f name plus x, right? You just give a space. Okay, now I want you to create the instances for this. Okay, first instance you are going to create with one parameter, second instance with two parameters. Now print both of them. Run this program, you are able to print both of them. So you can call the other constructor with two parameters from one parameter is also using this keyword. Okay, so let's create a new class in the same package. Create a student class. So you just create one constructor, student, and then you just write inside this this this, this within the brackets. I'm passing two values. Okay, default, default within the double quotes, default within the double quotes, default, comma, let's say some age 21. This is a simple constructor. Why there is a error?
We don't have a other constructor with the parameters, two parameters, sir.
Yeah, come down. Next line. After 8th line, just write one more same constructor, student, and then string name, comma, int age. Right? This is our next constructor. Flower bracket start. You are going to use the this keyword here. This dot name is equal to name. This dot age is equal to age. Okay. Can you just create an object and print it? Any confusion? Are you good with this? Now run. So this is how you are going to make use of this keyword.
Sir, a small doubt, sir. Sir, here we have declared as parameters string name and int age, right, sir? And in the constructor also we give this dot name equal to name, this dot age equal to age. Like in the order only we have given, right, sir? Is the
Correct.
order necessary or can we move up
You
and
can
down?
change. Yes, you can do. Just change it to 11th. You can move to, yeah, cut it from there and then move it to the bottom. That is what your doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now go back to your notepad. There you just write a couple of things which are very, very important. This dot variable, right? This dot variable. You have written this, you have used this, correct? This dot variable, it acts as the instance variable. The next one, this and then parenthesis. What is this? It is doing? It is calling the constructor.